Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm gonna be giving myself lash extensions. I've done this in the past twice, and both times it didn't turn out super great, but I'm hoping it'll turn out a little better this time. Plus I'm filming it, so yeah. I didn't really want to call this a tutorial since I don't exactly know what I'm doing. Like, I have some experience with it, but basically everyone, their freaking mom has been getting lash extensions. They've been a thing for like a while now, but I just feel like recently a lot of people I know have been getting them, and I really want them, but I don't want to pay so much for them. So I was like, I'm gonna try doing them by myself, and then if that doesn't work again, then I will go get them or something like that. I don't know. I did a pretty substantial amount of research, I would say. So this is a step up from like the Ardell kit that I did in the beginning, which that did not turn out good. That was kind of ugly. Like, people said it looked good, but no, it was bad. And the second time I did it, I did like individual single lashes, which is what the professionals use, but I just did it myself, and that like kind of worked. But doing it to yourself is really hard, and you have to practice the techniques a lot, which I didn't. I kind of just went in for it, and I was super impatient with it. So that time it was like, it was a little better, but it was still really natural because I didn't have like the patience to put all the lashes. So this is kind of in the middle. So what I got, these two kits, this is from Eylure and this is from Ardell, but they're both like mink lashes, so they look more realistic and kind of more natural, I guess, than like the Ardell kit or like those normal, I don't know, like demi-wispies, the normal lashes that you would buy at Target or wherever. They're not knotted, so they should blend into my lashes a little better, but they are like multiple lashes, not like individual single ones, if you get what I'm saying, kind of. It's a pack of medium length. This is a pack of short, medium, and long. This was about $8. This was about $5. So yeah, we're gonna just go into this and hope for the best. For the glue, I'm using Stacy Lash. This is what I used last time when I did the single individual lashes, and I just got this on Amazon. I don't remember how much it cost. I've had this for like 2 years, so I'm gonna hope that it's not dried up and then it works, because if it doesn't, then I have to go out and buy glue, and I really don't want to do that because yeah. So I just showered, so my face is all clean. I have no makeup on. There's nothing around my eyes. I just moisturize my skin because I'm dry as heck, and we're gonna get started. So I have my little mirror here, and I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna go for it. So I also have some tweezers, which I figured would be helpful, and I have a little lash curler because I feel like that's also helpful. I'm not sure quite yet if I'm going to be putting the lashes underneath my lash line or on top. I think I'm gonna put them underneath, because you know how some people put their lashes on underneath? It looks really good, so I'm kind of feeling that. So I feel like I should curl my lashes first. Okay, I don't know. Oh, eyelash curler. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a heckin' crazy curl like I do on the daily. I'm just gonna do like a light-ish curl. I feel like that makes sense. Oh shoot, I should do like a before and after. Okay, here's the before. Okay, this is kind of exciting. So I curled my lashes. Don't know how much that's gonna do. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this glue. Let's see. So this is my glue. Haven't touched this for a really long time, so we're gonna pray that, oh, that's crusty. Okay, please, moment of truth. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. That was a mistake. Okay, so now I got some glue out. I ruined my tweet. Ah, it's stuck on my finger. These are the lashes I have. I really should have taken this out and planned better, but I'm gonna start with these lashes first and just go for it. Oh, okay, this comes with glue. I'm not gonna use that. There's short, medium, and long. I'm gonna start off with, let's just start off with a medium, but I think I'm gonna, Okay, so personally, I like the lashes that are kind of like fluttery and voluminous, if you know what I'm saying. So I guess that's kind of what I'm going for. I'm gonna put mostly the long ones on the outside of my eye. Good luck, wish me good luck on these. Ooh. Oh. Oh heck, this kind of stinks. Okay, well. So basically I used up half. I don't think I'm gonna use this one at all, the Ardell ones, because I don't know why I thought I needed so many lashes. I literally have tiny eyes. So I think I'm gonna use the rest on my other eye because it's pretty even. Basically all I do is I take my tweezers and then I take the lash like that. I come over here to the glue, dip it in, and then I pretty much apply it onto my lash line. Oh my gosh, this stuff stings. I'm crying a bit. Okay, so my eyes are watering like crazy. You can see the difference and I really like it so far. I think I'm done with this right eye. So here's the difference so far. Hey guys, so it has been a little while, so my eyes have settled down. They're not watering like crazy anymore, but this is the finished look. And I'm pretty happy with it. It took about an hour, I'd say, which was actually pretty quick. All credit to the lashes being like pre-bunched. I don't even know what it's called, but this is what they look like. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys and you enjoyed it. If you want any updates about how I like them or how I keep up with them, this is my first time doing it in a while, so it's gonna take some getting used to. But I'm totally down to do a video explaining like how I maintain them, if I like them or not, because you know, I don't know if I'm going to. But yeah, so that was pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. It kind of looks like I've been crying heckin' a lot, but yeah. So those are the lashes. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.